while we're here at school, we are in our classrooms all day, every day, right? We are learning. You are using your mind all day. And when we go to church and when we're learning about religion, we are increasing our faith. But what we also need to work on is our body. And that's going to give us the opportunity to come outside, and you can work on your fine motor skills, your gross motor skills. You're going to get to work together as a team. There's no other elementary school in St. Charles County that has a certified outdoor classroom. This space will incorporate science, technology, religion, engineering, art, math. Anything that we offer in our school will now be offered outside. Studies have shown that kids learn better when they are able to explore their surroundings.
Where is it going to be?
Outdoor classroom is going to be this entire area. When we come out these double doors, it's this entire hill. It's all the way at the end of our building and even to the street. But there will be a fence, so we are all safe inside of it.
What subjects are we going to learn in the classrooms?
You're going to get to learn every single subject, not just science, but reading, writing, math. You're going to come out here for art class, PE, religion.
Is it going to be attached to that door?
You're going to be able to walk out that door. So when you're in PE and we decide, we need to get outside instead of staying in that gym, you can come out those doors and this entire space is going to be ready for you.
Can we use this all year long?
Our learning never stops, and neither should our use of our space.
Why do we need to be outside?
Well, everyone loves to be outside. And did you know they actually say that kids learn better with the amount of time they get to be outside?
How are we going to learn religion out here?
Well, that's a great question. We're going to have a sidewalk, and it's actually going to be in the shape of a rosary. So when we're praying the rosary and we're going each decade, we're going to be able to have that marked outside.
Are you going to get rid of these gardens?
The garden is actually going to get moved. It's going to be down at the end of our building. It's going to give us the opportunity to maybe plant and grow different items.
It would be nice to work outside because we get to move around more and sit by people we don't usually get to. It has fresh air out here, and when the wind blows against you, it feels nice.
You can move around more and just have more fun outside.
It's very nice to just not sit like in a room, so you just like to stay outside and just work wherever you want.
You always get to play, but we're learning while we're playing.
I'm most excited about the mud space because we get to get dirty and play with our friends.
I'm most excited about the PE area. I like PE. It's my favorite subject.
I think it's a great opportunity for us to get outside more rather than being in our classrooms all day.